Hi guys, this is Ravikran. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back with another video that is a review of Tata Nexon EV electric vehicle. So in this video I'm going to tell you the quick features, ride review, each and everything will be covered in this single video. So watch the video till the end. And if you are new to my channel or watching my videos for the first time, please click subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will never miss my updates when I upload a video. And one thing I have to say, this video is also available in Telugu. So if you want to see my reviews in Telugu, you can watch that video as well. So let's quickly get through the features of the Tata Nexon EV. This is the all new Tata Nexon EV. The color looks absolutely stunning with this light green bluish color with white color top roof. This car also gets sunroof as standard for this top model. There are three variants in this: XZ Plus Lux, XZ Plus and XM. This is the XZ Plus Lux model, which is luxury of the line, and the car actually looks very amazing in this particular color. And to give you a difference between the Tata Nexon and Nexon EV, there is a blue line over the full car. Actually stands out, like it differentiates between normal car and the electric vehicle. And let me tell you the main power figures. So basically this has 30 kW permanent magnet synchronous motor, which gives you a good amount of power. Actually produces 127 bhp at 245 Nm of torque in each and every pull. So when you open the throttle, you will get the full amount of power. So that is actually surprising. So you will see the power in a minute. And let me quickly show you the main features. There is a blue color trim all over the car, which actually differentiates between the normal Nexon and the EV. So this is a blue color and EV badging is placed here. This is a piano black finish with Tata grille. And coming to the main headlamp, you got reflectors with projector LED and DRLs with integrated turn signals. And on the bottom section, you can see fog lamps with the same blue color treatment. And on the bottom front grille, there is a triple arrow design, which actually signifies the EV vehicle. The side profile, the car looks very cool. And one thing, the one main advantage for this car is this car has 5-star safety standards, which means this is one of the safety vehicle in its class. And coming to the wheel profile, this car has 16-inch alloy wheels. On the front section you got disc, and on the rear there are drum brakes. So only disc brakes are offered in the front. And coming to the rear section, this is the rear power, how it looks. There is a Ziptron logo placed on the left side and a EV badge on the right side, Tata logo, rear defogger, rear wiper, and a rear camera is also given with parking sensors as well. Let me also show you the boot. So this is amount of boot. This car has 350 liters of storage with 60/40 split seats. So on, you can push the seat forward and get some extra additional space. And let's go inside. Let's see the interior features. Now the interior is white with light blue color stitching. Looks absolutely fantastic. Right side you can see mirror functions, mirror lock, and a central locking button. And there are controls for ORVM. A push start button which is given on the left side. So let's start it. So in order to start that, foot on your pedal, click it once, the car automatically starts on. And this is how the MID display is. And it will say it is ready. So the car is ready to move now. Now we have to just keep the driving mode into D mode, and it's ready to move. And let me tell you the instrumentation panel information. On the total left side, you can see regeneration, eco and power. So this is actually a tachometer, which is actually different from normal vehicle. Side you can see kinetic energy regenerative braking system, which means it adds power to the battery. And there is a eco and a power mode, which actually shows you when you drive. Top left you can see battery percentage, range, and range also depends on your riding conditions. And there is a drive selection indicator. Now it's in neutral mode. And you can see the drive selection knob, neutral, reverse, drive mode and sport mode. So there are two riding modes, drive mode and sport mode. On the sport mode you get full amount of power. And on the center console you can see some multi-informational displays such as settings and energy flow, trip A, trip B, and average miles. And on the total right side you can see the speedometer. Speedometer is given to 160, but we can reach a maximum speed of 130 to 140 km per hour on the full power. And this car has JBL powered system, Harman, and AC controls are given on the bottom section. And these are the controls for controlling media, a piano black finish with blue color accents. And there is a good amount of glove box, which can actually give you a large amount of storage, and it also provides cooling function. That is a really good touch. And there is a tray given here to store your documents. And on the left side door you can see umbrella holder with the water bottle holders. So the interior actually looks very cool, and this car also has sunroof. And let me open it once. So this is the amount of sunroof it opens. This actually gives you a premium feel. And let's close it. And there is also a tilt function. So this is a tilt function. Let's close it. And on the center section there is a manual handbrake, 12 volt socket, USB, and this is the amount of place it has. There is also an ample amount of place at the rear, so a person can easily sit backside without any problem. And this is all about the main features, and you also got rear AC functions, and you don't get any charging facility at the rear. So on each and every thing, the fit and finish is top notch, and there are adjustable seat belt holder. And these are some basic features of Tata Nexon EV. Now let's go for a drive and see the power. The power in this car is actually crazy, so you will actually love it. So watch the video till the end. So let's get started with the drive. Let's go for a drive. Now I have shifted the gear mode to D. Let's push the car. The power is actually good. I'm loving this power. All know electric cars are very fast. This car also has a 127 bhp, which is also very good for this particular model. And in the drive mode, this car can actually do a speed of 100 to 120. In the sport mode, this car can go up to 120 plus kilometers per hour. But as we are on highway and speed limit is limited to 100, I'm not going to push that hard. Okay, but the charging capacity to charge the full car, then it will take almost 8 hours for the full charge, and it can give you a range of 260 of full kilometers. The company claims to be 310, but you can expect a 260 kilometer full range on the drive mode. And if you change the drive mode to sport mode, then it will be somewhere around 160 to 180. So this is the amount of range that you get in this Tata Nexon EV. And there are also multiple charging points in Hyderabad. Currently there are 21 stations in Hyderabad, and they are also adding more 100 EV stations, so that you can charge the vehicle in each and every place, like in shopping malls and different type of locations. So that is actually very good for this Tata Motors. Benefit for this Tata EV users is that if you buy the vehicle, then for the next 1 year the charging will be free. And after using of 1 year, then some amount of money will be charged depending upon your charging time. Now let's take a U-turn. Power is very good. There are no complaints about the power. And coming to the brakes, so the brakes given on this car are 2 disc and 2 drum. If they could have provided 4 disc brakes, that would be really good for this particular EV vehicle, because this is a very fast car. It's very quick from 0 to 100, so we actually required 4 disc. Basically that's my recommendation. Talk about the main pricing. So the current model, the Tata Nexon EV Exert Plus Lux model, is priced at ₹18,36,000 on road, and this price will be changed depending upon current location. And there are 2 more models, that is Exert Plus and Exert. So the base range starts from 16,20,000, and the middle variants cost somewhere around 17,30,000. And the top model Exert Plus Lux 18,36,000. So this is just the approximate on-road figures, just to have an idea. If you want to get the more details about this particular car, I will leave the showroom details below. You can contact them and they will let you know the full details of this Tata Nexon EV. This is just a quick review of Tata Nexon EV. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow my updates on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikran Kasturi. Keep following me. This is Ravikran signing off.